What's going on, guys? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘵, and I truly appreciate you for being here with me. So last time we were talking about freepulse.io, and it was a really amazing website. It has so many features that I decided to break it down into multiple parts. The first part was 18 minutes, and so now this is going to be the second part. Okay, so if you want to see the details about how to get some PulseChain, that way you can be able to interact with this website, click the link at the top over there, and you can be able to do all the things that you need to know how to do it. So in this second part, we're going to look at this beautiful website. The website is called freepulse.io. Let me get right here, freepulse.io. You're going to have to go through that capture ability, but I already did it myself, so you don't really have to worry about it. So the first thing that we're going to do right now, before I get into it, notice that all the coins that you win right now, because PulseChain has not come out, all the coins that you're going to win are not going to be actually real. They're all test coins. They're all test coins, okay? So when PulseChain actually comes out, then you will win these amount of coins. You will win these amount of prizes. Your luck of winning and losing your coins will be exactly the same. But before then, no, it won't be, okay? Let me make this. I always forget to float it at the top. Where is it? Float on top. Okay. So you can always see my beautiful face. All right. So the first thing that we're going to look at is the lottery. Okay. So with the lottery, what you can do is, as you can see, I have 7,921 coins on the free Pulse.io website that I can withdraw anytime I want. Right. I can withdraw to 7,921. But I think I'll just, keep it on the website for right now. But when I come to freepulse.io and I click on the lottery, there are 182 players that have already played the lottery today. The current jackpot is 726 pulse that comes out and is available every 24 hours. Okay. So currently there's 19 hours and 22 minutes left to wager a bet and say that I want to put my bet into the lottery. And then if I win, then hold on one second. If I win, then I get a part of that lottery. There's only one winner a day, by the way. 1% of all bets go into the daily lottery jackpot. You get one free ticket for every 111 pulse that you bet. Every day at midnight UTC, a winner gets drawn, okay? So what I can do is I can go here and I can buy tickets. The minimum amount of tickets I can buy is, the minimum amount of tickets that I can buy is 100. I'll just do 111 because these tag instructions was very unclear. 111 tickets, okay? You bought 111 tickets for 111 pulse. You get one ticket for every 111 pulse you bet. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down and see how I can bet. Okay, so this is kind of strange, but I guess that means that, I get 111 tickets. Okay, so that means I get to bet 111 times. Very weird, but okay, sure. And then we will move on to the next game. That was a very weird game. They need to do a better job of giving instructions, by the way. Free Pulse, if you're looking at this, do a better job with the instructions. That was kind of weird. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to do a prediction game. Predict high, you win high. You win a lot. Predict and win big. Every event has a fixed expiration date, but might get settled earlier. Every bet that was placed after the settlement gets refunded. So that's really, really helpful. That's the good thing about cryptocurrency. There's free refunds for everything. Everything is programmatic. If there's a problem, usually the people that develop this app want you to be able to do these things properly. They want you to be able to get your money back. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bet $100. The minimum $100, my maximum 7,810 because I only have 7,810 coins left here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bet 200 pulse. That mainnet PulseChain will launch before May 1st. I believe that it's going to launch after May 1st. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on it, and then I have the ability to bet against this wager. Okay, these are the old, by the way, these are the old wagers that already happened, that BTC will be above 45,000 on April 3rd. Today is the April 20th, 420, all day light up. Richard Hart will mention the Bitcoin top within the first minute of his next stream. Of course, that always happens. Richard Hart will show a new handbag in his next stream. Of course, that always happens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bet this one, right? I'm going to bet that this is going to be wrong. It's almost guaranteed to be wrong. There's no way it's going to come out. In fact, Richard Hart himself said that it's going to come out like the middle of May. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bet 1,200 pulse. Okay? That is wrong. And then you see right here, it says you bet 1,200 on wrong. Very good job. Next, we're going to go to crash. Now, this is a more fast-paced, more in-your-face type action type game. What we're going to do is we're going to bet, what's the minimum? 100. We're going to bet when it's going to crash. Every couple of 10 seconds or so, maybe 1 second, maybe 30 seconds, see, it just crashed. It just crashed at like 1.35 or something like that. You have to bet that it's going to crash when you think it's going to crash. So right now I'm not going to do auto crash. Right now I'm just going to bet 100. Okay, I didn't bet at the right time. Okay, so I'm going to bet for probably 160. Okay, so I'm going to wait for this to finish. Let me do one. Oh, I guess I won. Okay. See, that was a really fast one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bet 100 for the next one. Bet another 100. I'm going to bet 200. That's going to be at 2. I will get, you see the way the counter is going up and up and up and up and up? As long as it gets past 2, I'm going to win. Hopefully it gets past 2. Cross your fingers. 2.0. And we got it. Nice. So I just won I just cashed out 406 at 2.03. Okay, that was really fun. I thought I'm going to do another one again. Let me do the same thing for 1,100. God damn. So I just bet $1,100 at 2.0. Let's see what happens. This is a really bad website. You can lose so much money here. I'm not even sure if this is really legal. Boom. Just got a bunch of money. Okay. So that's awesome. Yeah. Okay, that's good. All right, so let's go on to the next one. We're going to do multiply. So for multiply, what you want to do is place a bet on and instantly lose or win a multiple of your wager up to 10. What is that? Yeah, 10,000x. God damn. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bet 1,100 again because why not? I'm a big baller. And I'm going to bet that this thing is going to 2x. Okay. Bet 1,100. And I won. So I just won 1,100, right? Because the amount that I wager is 2,000 and it goes to the odds. Okay, let me bet another 1,100. And I won again. Let me try to bet something crazy. And I'm going to bet like a minimum 100. So I'm going to bet something that's going to almost guaranteed to lose, right? So I'm going to bet $100, 100 pulse, I mean. And I lost 100 pulse, okay? This one I'm going to have to clarify what it is. Yeah, there's supposed to be like a number that tells me what's going on, but okay, whatever. I'll explain it later. Everything is like, I don't know. So we're going to have to move on further with this. This is the most fun game. It's called Mines. It's very much like Minesweeper. I'm going to bet 100 pulse, and it's very dangerous. In fact, let me bet 500 because why not? Go big or go home. There's 5 mines. Let me do 3 mines. I can pick the number of mines that's there, and then I can start for 500. And every single time I click it, I click successfully, I get more and more pulse. So that was successful. I just got 68, got 81, 97, 118, And I can cash out anytime I want, but I want to go until I lose. There I go, I lost. You hit a mine. So I lost everything that I bet, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a new game. Start for 500. Current value is 500. I can cash out anytime I want. I have 568. Oh, god damn. So I'm losing a shit ton of money. Okay, let me do it one last time. Fuck. All right. I think I'm done. And yeah, that's it for this stream. I'm gonna do a part 3 where I go into detail explaining the FP shares. It's really complicated, really detailed. FP shares is their own version of their own crypto that they're going to come out with. It should be interesting. It should be good. We're going to see what happens. I really appreciate you watching this. I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's get this money.